What's up guys, this is Mreg and today we are going to see what people has to say about one night stands and friends with benefits. तो हम लोगों के opinions जाने अब चलते हैं. Okay, Vaishali, what do you get by one night stands and friends with benefit?
Waste of time.
Okay.
I mean, you can find something better to do in life.
That's one good answer. Benefit.
So basically it's a concept without any, commitment and stuff, where you like a person and she likes you back. In my case, she likes you back. And, sometimes three things are good. No.
I mean, it makes you pretty much an animal if that's all you're looking for. It's a waste of time.
Look at this person. ये ऐसे लोगों की कमी है.
Find something more productive to do now.
Yeah, exactly.
Friends with benefits.
क्या है?
One night stand एक रात का satisfaction होता है.
Okay.
Friends with benefits अपनी मर्जी होती है, जब भी करना हो करो.
Okay.
As the name suggests, it's like you have a friend with whom you have a little bit of an attraction. And you guys go in for something more than friends.
Okay.
More than friendship, so as to just for the physical needs, obviously.
Yeah.
One night stand can be with a random stranger as well.
Okay, one.
Like if you want to have a good time,
You want to have a good time.
you are obviously when you are single, I would not recommend it going behind anyone's back.
Okay. And what do you get by one night stand?
मस्ती मजे यार.
मस्ती मजे. अच्छा. And,
जो मन कराए करो यार जिंदगी में.
friends with benefit.
वो तो बेस्ट है.
अच्छा. Okay, so आपका क्या सोचना है friends with benefits and one night stands के बारे में? मतलब हमारा बहुत क्लियर सोचना है, पर what do you think about it, sir? He seems scared. What do you think about it, sir?
दूसरे को तकलीफ तो नहीं होगा.
He seems relaxed. He seems very relaxed. He's very relaxed about it. Sir, what else? Anything? Someone like one of your friends would like to say there? Anyone? कोई जवाब नहीं दे रहा.
क्या हुआ?
कोई जवाब नहीं दे रहा.
क्यों?
They think this topic is very useless and like worthless. Probably.
My thinking is one night stand is the person is not known to you. Like
Okay.
randomly you meet them,
Okay.
you have time, you spend time and you go. And friends with benefit, you have mutual understanding where you meet them again after the
Yeah, they make
meeting.
up.
Yeah.
Just for fun, you meet a person,
Yeah.
you want to have the
Physical.
physical at that moment. You go, you have fun. Yeah, that's it. You never meet them again.
Sex basically is a necessity of a person.
Yeah.
And if you're not getting it with a relationship, then this is still a good option. It's not that it's bad, it's still a good option.
Okay, so people like lot है क्या? समझाओ अपने words में.
Ultimate freedom.
Friends with benefit.
Ultimate freedom. You.
When you don't want a relationship, मतलब you don't want to get into relationship commitment.
Trouble.
Friends with benefits is good, man.
So friends with benefit is good.
And you guys like have the same thing.
No.
Okay.
It's
So,
like having all the good parts without
Any
suffering.
commitment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
according to a relationship, when person is in a relationship, they want to have they obviously they are going to get physical. But at a point, if you like take out one night stands and friends with benefit, is it not killing the aesthetics of a relationship? कि आप सिर्फ आप जिंदगी से पूरा मज़ा निचोड़ना चाहते हो and you don't want to work up the hard parts. You're running away from the tough.
Currently, they are not killing any of the ethics of relationship, neither any of the person, because the person has their
Own choice.
own choice. Yes, exactly. The person has their own choice whether they want to be in a relationship or they want to go for.
And being in a relationship is totally a different ball game altogether.
It's on the person. It depends on what you're looking for. But yeah, it makes relationships a little meaningless if you just define intimacy by sex.
Yeah.
इसमें mindset होता है. अगर दो लोग mentally clear है
Okay.
कि physically है पर उनको रिलेशनशिप नहीं रखना है. फ्रेंड्स विद बेनिफिट्स का बेसिकली मतलब यही होता है ना.
हाँ.
कि यू आर इन सेक्सुअल कॉन्टैक्ट बट यू आर नॉट इन रिलेशनशिप. यू आर नॉट बाइंड विथ एनी ऑफ द feelings and emotions.
Yes.
Yeah.
You know, आपको अगर आपको चाहिए उसके हिसाब से relationships आप रखो.
Exactly.
Sometimes you are serious for a person. Sometimes you are just having fun.
Okay.
It depends on person. You should not hurt the feelings. Okay. Here we are talking about benefits. So both of the sides should be, you know,
Consent, yeah.
yeah. You should not hurt anybody's feelings, and until you are not hurting anybody's
And no
feelings,
cheating.
No cheating.
No cheating.
Yeah.
One shouldn't cheat. Cheating नहीं करेंगे.
You're scaring the people out of.
Like if both the parties are not into any sort of commitment kind of a thing, or like there is no other third person is involved except the two of them, then it's fine if they are going because it's a mutual understanding between them. But if it's like if there's third party whose person is responsible for, and still they are going for friends with benefit or one night stand, then definitely it's going to the 31st.
Okay, yeah. That would be practically called cheating.
Yeah, true that.
Practically, or like physical intimacy and all this stuff. Do you think is it wrong?
It is not wrong.
Not judgmental.
No, yeah, we shouldn't be judgmental, right? Okay.
Yeah, it does.
It's your own choice actually. It's your preference.
Exactly.
Like if you've just gotten out of a stable relationship and you're not looking for anything serious, then it's actually fine.
That's true.
Yeah.
Would you ever recommend someone, a friend or anyone, your family member? You recommended. Would you recommend someone like the?
Well, I wouldn't do it, but I would never judge people who do it.
Yeah, that's right. I mean, that's
It's their
right.
personal choice, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah, totally. It's not a bad thing. It's a new.
Until unless you don't exploit someone.
Exactly, that's it.
You don't have to be cheating on someone.
Yeah, so basically you don't need to be in a relationship for these things.
Okay.
But make sure you are not cheating anybody, we are not hurting anybody.
So that's good. Anyone, you know.
I am not gonna talk to my cousin like bro some benefits का अच्छा है. But yeah, surely. But I discuss with my friends a lot about these stuff. So a lot of people are into this. So I guess.
तो मतलब Indians के लिए ये अभी काफी new है. So Indians.
Again, people get this concept wrong. They play with feelings.
True.
We support freedom of choice if that's what you want to do. Go ahead. No.
You get this? ये आंसर ढूंढ रहा था मैं.
Person. And like if you ask me to go out with some stranger and have a one night stand, I probably won't. But friends with benefit, maybe I will because I know the person since a long time. And depending on.
So you believe that friends with benefit is a good concept and one night stands is
over one night stands.
Yeah.
Just that. Yeah.
Okay, and you?
And same goes for me. Like
It's a good concept.
Yeah, it is.
And India में अभी बिल्कुल एकदम blossom type का हुआ है. तेरे भैया सबको करना है. It's a trend. It's a trend. Because हम लोग को अभी recently introduce हुआ है movies के through. You know, we got to know about it from TV and stuff. So you guys support it.
Yeah.
You guys support these concepts.
Yeah.
You're happy that these concepts have been introduced to this to our country.
Definitely.
Say that to the camera.
Yes, we are so happy that these concepts have been introduced to our country, and we are lucky to have these concepts.
ये देखो इंडिया बढ़ गया आगे. मैं इस अनजान वीराने में हूँ और यहाँ पे लोगों का कोई नामो निशान नहीं है. आसपास कोई मुझे इंटरव्यू देने के लिए तैयार ही नहीं हो रहा है और मुझे लगता है मुझे विदाउट इंटरव्यू घर जाना पड़ेगा. रास्ता बहुत मुश्किल लग रहा है पर शायद मैं पहुँच जाऊँगा. हाँ, I give up.
Break has given.
हाय, ये यूट्यूब पर डालते हैं ना चूतिया.